CX Model FM1 Semi-Automatic Vertical Filling Machine Video Operation Manual. Thank you very much for purchasing our Model FM1 filling machine. Please follow the steps below for machine installation and operation. Step 1. Filling nozzle installation. Please make sure that you have fastened it tight and well. Step 2. Hopper installation. Please make sure that you have fastened it tight and well. Step 3. Operation desk installation. Adjust the height of the desk base on the height of your bottles under the filling nozzle. Step 4. Air tube connection. There are two sets of air tubes which we have tied well, blue and black. The short one is for valve cylinder and the long one is for filling nozzle cylinder. Black to black, blue to blue. By now, you have completed the installation of the filling machine. The following is the filling machine operating instructions. Air source processor. Push the blue ring to the right side. Connect with your air compressor or air gas tank with 8 mm air tube. Pull the cap out, then you can adjust the processor by screwing it. Screw it with clockwise direction to increase the air pressure. Screw it with counterclockwise direction to decrease air pressure. Adjust the processor base on the pressure gauge, reach to 0.6 MPa, then will be fine. Button reset. For safety reason during transportation, we have pressed the button reset down. You should pull it out first, otherwise machine will not work. Button reset is same function and meaning with emergency stop. Press this button down, then machine will stop filling immediately when you have any emergency during the filling process. Filling capacity adjusting wheel. By rolling the wheel, you can adjust the filling capacity. Please notice the ruler here is not the meaning of filling capacity, it is the meaning of stroke of the piston. First, adjusting the wheel close to the volume you want, and use weigher to measure it, then adjust the wheel once again. Our machine can have only 0.5% filling error after you set it up. Button manual and auto. Press the button down as manual mode filling by pressing the foot pedal switch. Pull the button out is auto mode, automatic filling after an interval's time. Button inlet valve. Function of this button is to adjust the interval's time in automatic filling mode. Screw it with clockwise direction to extend the interval's time. Screw it with counterclockwise direction to shortage the interval's time. Button outlet valve. Function of this button is to adjust filling strength. Please adjust this based on your product. Screw it with counterclockwise direction to increase the strength of the filling. Screw it with clockwise direction to decrease the strength of the filling. Changing the product supply from hopper into suction direct. Step 1. Remove the hopper. Step 2. Remove the side block plate and install it to the position of the original hopper. Please make sure that you have fastened it tight and well. Step 3. Install the material suction tube. Please make sure that you have fastened it tight and well. Step 4. Put the suction tube into your material tank or drum. By now you have finished the changing of product supply from hopper into suction direct from your product tank. Please do use water to learn and test the machine first. Never use your product until you are familiar with our machine functions. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to contact us for further technical supports. CX Pack, your most professional, trustworthy and ideal packing machines partner.